Hey guys, we got a last break here for the night. It's for Noffkekcc. He's gonna get one of these Top Supreme boxes right here. What we're gonna do is, since it doesn't have a number on it, I got this little thing right here. We're gonna drop it, and whatever one it lands on, that one's gonna be yours, buddy. So here we go. Whoops. Let's try it again. Okay. Okay, let's change that. Whatever one it's like close to. Yeah. That's one you're gonna land on. That's one you're gonna get. Okay. It's over here. So you're gonna get the left one. That was gonna be impossible to do. I'm sorry. I hope that's okay with you. Yeah. Here. Alright, here we go, buddy. Go fat. Got purple on the back. Here we go. Steven Jackson to 75. Ray Rice to 429. Austin Pettis to 429, rookie. And autograph, Vincent Brown, rookie auto, number to 55. Alright, buddy. I appreciate it. Is there anything else I can do for you? Just let me know. See you.